Hi boo-boos, hi darlings, hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Another video. Do I even need to tell you what this is? I feel like I say the same thing all the time, but today's hair is from Yolissa. So I don't think I've ever worked with this brand before, but I'm pretty sure I've seen their name somewhere. I'm sure it's TikTok or somewhere. But yeah, they were kind enough to send me a wig to try and show you guys. The box is all ruined, but it doesn't even matter. So I already took the hair out, but I'm gonna show you guys what came in the box. Came with some lashes, 3D lashes. I don't like these kind of lashes, so it's really not. I'm gonna have to gift this. Also came with this wig cap that I really like. This is the new wig cap that has been trending. It's very light and very soft. I like this one. And edge banders, of course. Oh, and this one, the longer version. Give me this one. Let me show you. Yeah, this one. Probably wouldn't use it, but it's nice of them to add it. There's your Lisa in there. Oh, they gave me both types of wig caps. That's nice. Yeah, so I can have the option, whichever one I choose. And then it also came with a bag for when I'm not using the wig, with your handles at the back. Cute, 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 cute. Now let me show you the hair. Look at this hair. It already came curled. Hello? All I have to do is brush this out after I glue it down. I like this lace. Let me tell you what I like about it so far. It came bleached, already bleached, so you know it's going to be giving scalp, and you have to do anything to. This is fresh out of the box. I just took it out. I kind of run my fingers through this side a little bit. That's why it looks crazy, but fresh out of the box, and it came bleached. I need to show you. Can you see that this came bleached, plugged, and it is beautiful. I can't wait to put it on. I think this is a 13x4. I don't think it's a 13x6. I think it's a 13x4 because the lace is not that long. Let me show you the inside. So like I said, it's pre-bleached, so you can see that it's a little orangey in there, so it's bleached. Then you can clearly tell that the front has been plucked. I took some hair out from right here, but then it still came plucked. And I did this because I wanted to be really, really snatched around my head. But it did come with an extra band in here. And some clips as well. I think 3 clips in there. But yeah, I'm ready to put this on my head because I have an event tomorrow. And hopefully this is going to turn out really nice so I can just take it to the event. By now you've probably seen what event it is, but yeah, I'm gonna be taking this hair, fingers crossed, because if this does not turn out that good, I'm gonna be sleeping tomorrow because I'm not installing another wig for just tomorrow's event. No, we're not doing that. Anyway, no more rambling, let's just get right into the video. So I think I've already mentioned this previously. I stopped doing the bald cap method like a couple of months ago, but today I did it again because I really want this wig to come out snatched. Don't laugh at my head. If you do, you're gonna go to hell. Okay, I want this wig to come out nice, so I already did my bald cap method. I know some of you have been asking, just a few of you have been asking me to do the bald cap method like and record it. I've done it in like previous videos, but I haven't bothered doing it again because like I don't do it as often anymore. If you want me to show you guys how I do the bald cap method, let me know in the comments below. But really and truly, I don't even enjoy doing the bald cap method anymore. I just do on the wig cap and I'm good to go. The bald cap method is not really even good for your edges, so that's another reason why I stopped doing it. But if you want me to show you, I don't mind showing you. Okay, I will. So I already did this off camera because I wanted to put it on before I did my makeup, so I just did it, put some foundation on it, and it is pretty secure. So I'm gonna throw this on. Before I do that, I'm gonna cut this out. The extra elastic band, I'm gonna cut it out because I don't want it bugging me. I don't need it. So we're gonna do without it. Let's see how this looks. You know, sometimes when I put on a wig, I just know it's gonna turn out nice. I just know. Like my spirit tells me this is it. Yeah, this is going to be amazing. And I can see it. I can see it. You don't even have to tell me. I don't need you to tell me. I already know that this is gonna turn out bomb. Well, it better. It really has to turn out good. It's gonna be so cute. Okay guys, and that brings me to the end of this video. It is almost 11 p.m. and I don't know if you can tell from my face, I'm exhausted, but the hair turned out really, really nice. I wanted to cut it and give it a little bit of layers, but I'm too lazy. I was too lazy to like perfect it, but I guess this will kind of work for now. I tried to be honest. It's making sense, but it also kind of not making sense, but it still looks nice. Pros with this hair, it already came bleached, like I said. It came plugged, and I didn't have to curl it. This is exactly how it came. Okay, I literally just brushed it and that was it. So I love this hair. I love it. I love it. I do love it. I don't have any cons, to be honest. I guess the only con would be the lace is slightly on the hard side, because I have had like softer lace, but that's not even an issue. It still ended up like looking so good, and I am happy with that. So thank you, Yolissa, for sending me this hair. I am in love with it, and thank you guys for watching the video all the way to this point. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. And also follow me on my social media pages, which are going to be at the end of this video. And I'm gonna go and get some sleep because I am tired. Okay, I will see you guys on another video. Love you.